Hi all, we are continuing our discussion on basic aspects of education in India. So in the last session, we have seen the education system in India as a whole since Vedic education. What are the different phases? What are the historical changes? So what are the major features of education in India as a whole? And today we are going to see the pattern of education that has been followed in India. So the existing pattern, as you know, it's a 10 plus 2 plus 3 pattern. And the pattern was proposed by Kothari Commission, the 1964-66 Indian Education Commission. The report entitled as Education and National Development. So it's a 55-year old proposal, and we are still following that pattern, a 10-year schooling and initially 2 years of pre-degree or pre-university, then 3-year graduate courses or undergraduate courses. Usually we term commonly as degree courses, and there are 2-year postgraduate courses, postgraduate degree courses. So the pattern is actually a 10 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. So that's the pattern of a general stream of education in India, and a 4-year professional education. After 10 plus 2, a 4-year professional uh, courses, engineering, medical, etc. And there are 3-year diploma courses and teacher education courses since 2015. 1 year B.Ed, 1 year M.Ed, and 2-year TTC, later redesignated D.Ed. So all those teacher education programs, courses, now having a duration of 2 years. And there is also a major shift from uh, naming the courses as programs. And those we have designated as courses, B.Ed course or M.Ed course or M.A course. All those things are redesignated as B.Ed program, M.Ed program, or M.A program, likewise. So that's a major change. And the courses, nowadays a course means a paper within a program. So a B.Ed program or an M.Ed program having a list of different courses. So that is another change that happened in this area regarding the pattern of existing pattern of education. So what is the proposed pattern? You know, the new education policy, which has been accepted in 2020, and after nearly some 55 years, it is going to be a complete restructuring or revamping of education system and education pattern as visualized in the policy. So in school level itself, the pattern proposed is 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. So means a 15 years, a 10 plus 2 was a 12-year schooling program, and this is not like that, a 15-year education from the age of 3 onwards. So early childhood education also combined with the school education and extend up to uh, the apex level, secondary education. Early childhood care and education, early child education, then the middle uh, component, elementary education, middle school, and secondary school. So the four levels within school education. Then after that, UG courses, undergraduate programs, uh, 3 or 4 years, and mainly the policy proposes or policy suggested integrated 4-year programs instead of the existing 3-year uh, undergraduate programs. So there shall be 3-year programs till for some few more years, because we are familiar with 3-year programs at graduate level. So they promote 4-year programs now onwards. That process of that transformation began already. So the UG programs will naturally evolve into 4-year integrated programs, and in continuation to that, the postgraduate programs also can be of 1 year or 2 years. So those who completed a 3-year graduation shall undergo a 2-year postgraduate program, and those who completed 4-year graduation are required to take only a single year for completion of post graduation. And another very interesting aspect in this pattern is that those students who are successfully completed 4-year program can directly enroll for PhD programs, because the fourth year of the graduation is exclusively meant for research courses. So that's another major twist in this particular pattern, proposed pattern. And the B.Ed and M.Ed also, regarding B.Ed, all the B.Ed program or the all isolated teacher education institution have to be transformed as multidisciplinary institutions. Means the present standalone teacher education programs such as B.Ed shall be integrated with teaching of specific disciplines such as science, then languages, mathematics, English, etc. So a degree and B.Ed are integrated, shall be provided in an integrated manner through a program having duration of 4 years. So by few years, the existing B.Ed programs will be very limited, for it will continue for few more years, so that the students at present qualified or who are studying for 3-year degree and 2-year PG, etc., also, if they are interested to uh, enroll for the current 2-year B.Ed programs. And naturally, this B.Ed program will be the sole qualification for teaching at any level of school, which means the D.Ed programs will uh, gradually discontinued. And the M.Ed also, naturally, it is now considered as a separate PG program. Naturally, it will have 2-year duration. So these are the existing and the future pattern of education. So the new pattern need so many changes, because the policy also recommended enormous changes in higher education also, in higher education system and the structure and functioning of universities. So there can be only three category of higher education institutions as per the recommendations of the policy, and the present colleges shall be either transformed as autonomous colleges or form college cluster or to become a university. So these are some striking changes to be happen in the near few years of Indian education. So that's all for this session. Thank you for watching.